Hey guys, David, 3 Years Card Collector, back with another video. It's been a while since I did a box opening on camera. I've been wanting to open some hockey cards. Hockey season's pretty much in full blast right now. A lot of people consider hockey not starting until after Christmas, so if that's you, welcome to hockey season. But today I got this 2024-2025 SPx box. I haven't opened this product since they changed the configuration. It used to be one pack with like 4 or 5 cards and you're guaranteed autographs and stuff. Now you're, I guess, not guaranteed anything from what the guy at the LCS told me. So it's stuff to look for. But I've had good luck with this in the past, so I wanted to try it again with one of the more recent draft classes. I paid $105 for this at Dave and Brian's Collector's Den over at Pittsburgh Mills Mall. Like the only store still open there. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. I forgot hockey, they like to super tape these boxes up. So you get 3 cards per pack and 8 packs now. We'll move the new #1 Penguins points leader and Mario out of the way. All right, so first pack. So we got Noah Dobson. Oh, I'm not even on camera here. All right. I have no idea what's good in these and what's not. So we'll figure this out together, I guess. So that's the silver version. We got this rookie of Michkov, Hollow View. And this is, I guess, the blue version, Vasilevsky. Or that's just the base. This one's special, it says silver. I'll have to look this up later. Well, that's a gold one of Kyle Connor. It's not numbered or anything. We got this game film, Austin Matthews. That's kind of cool. And we got my guy, Marc-Andre Fleury. Yeah, if you came here to learn about this product, I apologize. I know nothing about it. Got a Clark rookie. Got a Bork rookie holograms. And Tippett. Hey, Wallstedt. I like him a lot. I got to watch him shut out the Calgary Flames back in November in Minnesota. Bound for Glory, Kachuk. Jack Hughes. Will Smith, that's a good one. One of the better rookies in this. So we got a numbered Sebastian Aho, Hall of View FX to $3.99. He's been killing it lately. We got Sid. So I've got 3 packs left. Got Pedersen. Got a Bork rookie. Again. Oh. Now it's on the floor. And we got a Kadri. Kuznetsov. So this is Finite. Brisson. It's numbered to $5.99. This is the bronze version. Pasta. All right, last pack. Lilleberg. Another Finite of Konechny. This one's to $9.99. We'll end it with Carlson. All right, so I don't know how I would feel about this product. So the Wally was cool. Silver, I don't know how rare that is, but this is kind of the base, it seems. Get a lot of different inserts and stuff. A couple of them were numbered. Sid's always good. I like Aho a lot. And then Will Smith was probably the best rookie out of that. But Fleury's always good. Austin Matthews, always a cool card. But yeah, definitely like the older configuration better. Just where you're guaranteed at least a couple jersey cards or something, but oh well. Got to open something, which was cool, and got a couple cards I liked, so mission accomplished. So let me know what you think of this, or if you had any luck opening this yourself. I'd love to hear about it. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next video.